In this video, we will show you the latest look of Windows 11 installer. Microsoft has been changed the Windows 11 installer on build to 6040 version in Windows 11 23H2, of course. If you can see here, now the interface is look simpler, no background color, and if you remember, in the Windows 11 usually have blue or purple color. You can see now look simpler like this. Let's continue to the installation. In here you can select install repair more clear, and when we click next, okay, you can see still no background color here, and we think Microsoft changed to this is to smaller the Windows installer because I already download. The size is only 4.75 gigabytes. In the before the Windows 11 installer until more than 5 gigabytes. This is of course a good decision from Microsoft. You can see the interface of partition is look different. Okay, it's more clear and simple. You can see there, and you can get or try this Windows 11 the latest version on our website wedata.com. I think it's not just me. We want the Windows 11 installer file size is smaller. In this process, I will speed up the video because it takes a little of minutes. And in this process, look like the same with the older Windows installation. In this process also still no have different in design, but usually in older version the interface is often not matched with the screen resolution, but I think Microsoft has been done with this design. Now if I use lower screen resolution, the design can handle this, and no design is hidden or gone. Usually the button is gone if I install the older Windows version. And this is our device name. For just a moment, design is also look like the old. Okay, no different. And let's see all design until finish. Okay, for this is also no different, but like I said before, the design now looks like the responsive, not like the old, because in the old I often my button when install the Windows is gone, or the button is hidden like button next here, and now is not like that. Okay, of course we very happy, and of course the Microsoft still require the installation using the Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, maybe you can create one. And this is also same with the older Windows. I usually uncheck this except once for the troubleshooting, and this is still loading. In here we can restore our devices, but I suggest you to create from the fresh or new don't restore your backup. But if you want to backup, you can also select the backup of your PC, of course. And in here I will skip using my phone. Access all your browsing. Okay, I not now. There are many features on this Windows version, but also remove some application like WordPad. This is checking for the updates. Okay, uh, the design is look like the older, but this design for finishing, you can see usually we see the bubble not like this. Now the design of the bubble is using newest design. Okay, you can see there. Okay, you can see the design of this bubble is look different with the older Windows installation process. Let's wait until the installation finish because it just take a few minutes. I will not skip the video or not faster the processes. Please keep up your PC on and plug in. Almost there. Now the installation has been finished. You can see this is the newest version of the Windows 11 with new design of the installation process. Of course, the file is smaller and make me happy, of course. And that's the video showing you how the newest design of Windows 11 installer. One conclusion, the first step of the design and the partition is higher different, okay, with the older Windows 11. And what's make me happy, of course, the file size is decreased. If I try in the older version, is more than 5 gigabytes. Now it take just 4 gigabytes more. Thanks for watching.